How has COVID-19 changed the enterprise IT landscape, and what can we expect in 2021 and beyond? Join the tech guy, Leo Laporte, for a live panel discussion to get these answers and more. Leo will lead the discussion entitled The Hangover, Enterprise IT Post-COVID. He'll be joined by Amy Webb, author and founder and CEO of the Future Today Institute. Don Pezet from the IT podcast TechNado with Don Pezet and co-founder of IT Pro TV. And Steve Gibson, CEO of Gibson Research and host of the Security Now podcast. You won't want to miss this event, so mark your calendar for Thursday, October 1st at 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific, or stay up with us at 10 p.m. GMT. It's a great way to hear from experts and kick off October Cybersecurity Awareness Month. You've been to the party, so get ready for The Hangover, Enterprise IT Post-COVID-19, brought to you by the TWIT Network and IT Pro TV.